Modern life is a whirlwind of activity. We are constantly on the move, our schedules packed with endless tasks and responsibilities. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, it feels like there's always something demanding our attention. We sit at desks, stare at screens, and rush from one task to the next. Our days are filled with meetings, deadlines, and the constant hum of technology. It's a relentless cycle that leaves little room for genuine rest. Our bodies weren't designed for this constant state of tension. The stress accumulates in our muscles, our posture suffers, and our minds become fatigued. We often ignore the signals our bodies send us, pushing through the discomfort in the name of productivity. We've forgotten the natural ease of resting postures, positions our ancestors assumed effortlessly. In the past, people knew how to rest in ways that were harmonious with their bodies. They would sit, squat, and lie down in positions that allowed their muscles to relax and their minds to unwind. It's time to reclaim this lost art, starting with the resting squat. This simple yet powerful posture can help us reconnect with our bodies and find a sense of ease amidst the chaos of modern life. This simple posture, once commonplace, holds incredible power to transform our physical and mental well-being. The resting squat allows our muscles to stretch and relax, improving flexibility and reducing tension. It also encourages better posture and alignment, which can alleviate many common aches and pains. It's a primal reset button, a way to unwind the tension of modern life and reconnect with our innate physical wisdom. When we squat, we tap into a natural movement pattern that has been part of human physiology for millennia. This posture not only benefits our bodies but also has a calming effect on our minds. Join me as we delve into the world of resting squats and discover their remarkable benefits. We'll explore how to incorporate this practice into our daily lives, making it a habit that supports our overall well-being. Together, we'll learn to listen to our bodies, honor our need for rest, and embrace the wisdom of our ancestors. When we hear squat, we often envision grueling gym workouts and burning thighs. The resting squat, however, is a different beast altogether. It's not about exertion, but relaxation. Imagine sinking into a comfortable chair, except the chair is your own body. Feet flat on the ground, hips below the knees, chest upright. This is the essence of the resting squat. Unlike the dynamic movement of a regular squat, the resting squat invites stillness. It's a posture of ease, a way to find grounding and release tension held deep within our muscles. Flexibility isn't just for yogis, it's essential for everyone, from athletes to office workers. Resting squats are like gentle stretches for your entire lower body. They target tight hips, hamstrings, and ankles, areas often stiff from prolonged sitting. Regular practice gradually increases your range of motion, making everyday movements feel smoother and easier. Imagine effortlessly bending down to tie your shoes or play with your kids. Resting squats pave the way for this newfound freedom of movement. Believe it or not, resting squats can even improve your digestion. Our modern toilets, while convenient, actually hinder natural bowel movements. The squatting position, on the other hand, aligns our digestive tract for optimal elimination. Regular resting squats can help alleviate constipation and promote regularity. By relaxing the pelvic floor muscles and improving intestinal motility, squats encourage waste to move through your system with greater ease. Who knew a simple posture could have such a profound impact on our gut health? While not as physically demanding as traditional squats, resting squats still offer a myriad of benefits that are often overlooked. They engage your muscles in a unique way, focusing on endurance rather than explosive power. Holding the posture strengthens your core, providing a solid foundation for overall body stability. Your legs and back also benefit immensely as they are constantly engaged to maintain the position. This builds a foundation of stability and resilience, crucial for both athletic performance and everyday activities. This low-impact strength training is gentle on your joints, making it an excellent choice for those recovering from injury or looking to avoid high-impact exercises. Its accessibility makes it suitable for all ages and fitness levels, from young children to the elderly. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Resting squats also offer significant mental and emotional advantages. They cultivate patience and mindfulness as holding the position requires a calm and focused mind. Holding the posture for extended periods teaches us to sit with discomfort, a valuable skill in both fitness and life. It helps us find stillness amidst the chaos of daily life, promoting a sense of inner peace and balance. This mental fortitude spills over into other areas, enhancing our ability to handle stress and navigate challenges with grace. The resilience built through this practice is not just physical but also mental, preparing us to face life's hurdles with a calm and composed demeanor. Proper form is essential to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Always ensure your knees are aligned with your toes and your back is straight. You can use props like walls or resistance bands to assist you, making the exercise more accessible and varied. As you progress, you can incorporate deeper squats or transition into other exercises to keep challenging your body. Whether performed indoors or outdoors, resting squats can be a meditative practice, connecting you with your body and surroundings. Reflecting on your progress can also be a rewarding experience, helping you appreciate the small victories and stay motivated. Sharing your journey with others can inspire and motivate them, creating a supportive community focused on health and well-being. Together, we can build a culture of resilience, patience, and strength, both physically and mentally. So next time you find yourself in a resting squat, remember, you're not just building muscles of steel but also the patience of a monk. Section 6. Finding stillness in the squat. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of true stillness can feel impossible. Resting squats offer a sanctuary, a space to simply be. As you sink into the posture, feel the weight of your body grounding you to the earth. Close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Observe any sensations that arise, tension, relaxation, or simply the feeling of your body being fully present. This mindful awareness cultivates a deep sense of inner peace and tranquility, counteracting the constant stimulation of modern life. Section 7. Your resting squat journey begins now. Welcome to a transformative journey that will not only enhance your physical fitness, but also improve your overall well-being. The resting squat is a fundamental exercise that can be incorporated into your daily routine, offering numerous benefits for your body and mind. Ready to embark on your resting squat journey? This exercise is perfect for beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts alike. It's a simple yet effective way to build strength, flexibility, and balance. Whether you're looking to improve your posture, increase your lower body strength, or simply find a new way to relax, the resting squat is an excellent choice. Start slowly and gradually increase your hold time as your flexibility improves. Begin with just a few seconds and work your way up to longer durations. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your flexibility and strength. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. This could be a corner of your living room, a spot in your backyard, or even a quiet area at your gym. The environment you choose should be calm and free from interruptions, allowing you to focus entirely on your practice. Begin by standing with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This stance provides a stable base and helps engage the right muscles. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed across your feet. Slowly lower yourself down as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Engage your core muscles to maintain balance and prevent your knees from caving inward. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground, and your knees should be aligned with your toes. If your heels lift off the ground, place a rolled-up towel or yoga mat underneath for support. This modification helps maintain proper form and prevents strain on your ankles. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to ensure a safe and effective practice. Aim to hold the posture for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply throughout. Focus on your breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This not only helps you stay relaxed but also enhances the benefits of the exercise. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the duration of your squat holds. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and keep pushing yourself to new heights. Section 8. Listen to your body. As with any new exercise or posture, it's crucial to listen to your body. You might experience some discomfort or tightness initially, especially if you're new to squatting. This is normal. Avoid pushing yourself beyond your limits. If you feel any sharp pain, stop and consult a healthcare professional. Over time, with consistent practice, you'll notice increased flexibility and ease in the posture. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey of rediscovering your body's natural ability to move and rest. Section 9. Embrace the squat life. Resting squats are more than just a physical posture. they're a gateway to improved health, mobility, and well-being. By incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine, you can unlock a world of benefits, from increased flexibility and digestion to reduced stress and enhanced mindfulness. So ditch the chairs, embrace the squat, and rediscover the power of this primal posture. Your body will thank you for it.